Hey guys, welcome back. Happy first day of April. Let's get started with our Today in History. April 1st, 1700, English pranksters begin popularizing the annual tradition of April Fool's Day by playing practical jokes on each other. Although the day, also called All Fool's Day, has been celebrated for several centuries by different cultures, its exact origins remain a mystery. So I have to say today is one day that I am pretty happy we are not in class because I don't have to deal with all the April Fool's pranks that I'm sure some of you, cough cough, Matt Rodriguez, would have planned for today. Right? So small perks that get us through this quarantine. Right? Let's get into our lesson for today. Okay, so just for a review, yesterday I assigned you guys a World War II video review. Hopefully you all watched that. I thought it was pretty interesting, and it did introduce some new information to you that I didn't necessarily have a chance to go over in class or to assign you through distance learning, so I thought that was a pretty nice way to wrap up our World War II unit. And then you had to come up with 3 facts that you learned from the video that we hadn't spoken about in class and just add them to this graphic organizer that we have here. Right, so pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Right? And then you guys also had that survey that I pushed out for you, so if you haven't had a chance to answer that yet, please do so. I really appreciate that a lot of you took the time to answer question number 5 and give me a little bit of feedback, whether it be everything's great or I miss you or whatever it was. It's really nice getting those messages from you guys, so that was pretty great. Right. Alright, so let's move on to today. Today is going to be a pretty easy and I think fun lesson for you guys. I have created a quizzes. I know how much you enjoy when we play those games in class, so I thought, what the heck, why not do that through distance learning as well, and it'll give you guys a chance to review a little bit. Just in case we happen to have a test. As of right now, I don't see that happening for World War II at least, but it's always nice to be prepared just in case, right? And then we're going to be moving on pretty soon to a new unit, right? So if you guys went on to our Google Classroom page in the stream, okay, that's really important. It's in the stream, not in the classwork page, right? You're going to see here that I sent you out this invite to join my quizzes class. If you guys could do that, it'll just link your Google Classroom profile to the quizzes class that I've created, all right? And then what I'm going to do is today I will push out the invite for you guys to take the World War II quiz, right? Pretty straightforward, 25 questions, multiple choice, right? I put in all that fun stuff where you can get boosts and you can repeat questions that you happen to get wrong maybe. It'll like throw them in there. And then I also upped the amount of time that you have to answer the questions. Normally I give you about 30 seconds to a minute in class, but because you're at home, I think it can be a little bit more relaxed than that. So you guys have 5 minutes to answer each question, which I'm sure is going to be more than enough time for each of you. This is not being graded on accuracy, so you don't need to Google the questions. Like, just go through it and see if you actually know the answers, right? It'll be a good practice for you, right? And then also I limited it to 1 try per person, right? So once you X out, that's it. You're not going to be able to get back in. So if you happen to X out by mistake, please just reach out to me so I can send out the link to you again or like reset your account, okay? That should be everything. I hope you guys have an awesome day, right? And as always, stay safe and make good choices.